Hello. What's this boy's name?
His name's Ben.
Can you spell his name?
Ben's name? Yes, B-E-N.
How old is he?
He's 8.
8?
Yes, that's right.
How many toys has Ben got?
He's got 12 toys.
Sorry?
He's got 12 toys.
I like his cat. What's his cat's name?
His cat's name is Daisy.
Daisy? That's a nice name.
Yes, you spell it D-A-I-S-Y.
How many books has Ben got?
He's got 7 books.
How many?
He's got 7 books.
What's the name of Ben's school?
Ben goes to Green School.
Can you spell that?
Green? Okay, you spell it G-R-E-E-N.
Which class is Ben in?
He's in class 6.
Class 6. That's good.
Yes, he really likes school.